So we're still at the little boat launch that I was talking about in a different video. But this is the underside of the Interstate 210 bridge. Interstate 210 is supposed to be one of the, or I-10, not 210. 210 is the loop. Interstate 10 is supposed to be one of the busiest interstates across southern United States. And our bridge is old. My mama can remember this bridge being built when she was a kid, and my mama's in her 80s. They used to come to Lake Charles to ride over the bridge. That's what they got to do for a treat when they came to Lake Charles. But regardless, one of our local senators is trying to get government agencies, companies, other senators and representatives, and the money all in the right place at the right times to be able to build another bridge. It looks like it's going to be a toll bridge. I don't know who's happy about that or who's not. I'm happy that we get another bridge, but of course I don't drive over it every day to go to work at some of the plants on the other side of this bridge. But you can see it's busy. You can see the big trucks, small trucks, just cars, every kind of vehicle you can imagine, delivery trucks that drive over it regularly. Yeah, and we need a new bridge. I'm thankful that Senator Abraham has taken up, because you wouldn't believe the mess, getting all of the government agencies, private companies, other senators and representatives all together, and the money all together to get this done. It's been going on for a while. A long while. Before Senator Abraham, if I remember, there had been talk about it, but well, yep, we're just gonna watch this a little bit longer, see how it works.